Hi friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have a quick little video. I got something in the mail that it's usually like in a light blue box, but this time, hello Jolene, we got the Walmart Beauty box and it's in a pink box, and I kind of like that they changed it up. Maybe for spring or whatever, so you know I like pink, so that was kind of fun. It is the spring refresh bra. It's calling it the spring refresh. Here's a card. It does show you what products are in here. This box is $6.95 a month or a season. Wait, it comes as it's a season, yeah. So this is spring. So anyway, it's just a fun box. They just usually give you samples, or you do get some full-size makeup products, just things that they share in their store. So you get 5 items, and let's get to it. Here. So let's see. The first thing is a Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. Okay, like I am excited about this kind of because I like vitamin C serums, and I'm not too picky about the brands. I mean, I've obviously had some that I really like a lot better than others, but that's not a bad thing to get. So I'm kind of excited to try that. So that's the first thing. The second thing, is just like a little, let's see, Fortify Natural Germ Fighting Skincare. These are under eye pads. So a set of under eye pads, not a bad thing. I use these and like them, so we'll try those. And then I have another sample thing in here. I'm gonna do the samples first. This is just a Neutrogena Hydro Burst water cream. It's only a sample, so not excited about that. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is from CoverGirl, and it's a clean color eyeshadow palette. It's got 4 colors in it, and it's kind of like they all have is it like clouds on their surface or something? But anyway, it's a nice little neutral golden kind of eyeshadow palette. Not a bad thing to have. I don't know if I'll keep it or stick it in a giveaway or something. But anyway, that's a full-size eyeshadow, you know, small quad. But anyway, so that's not a bad thing to have. The last thing I got here is Dove. This is a Cucumber Advanced Care Cucumber. This is a deodorant, and I actually use these. I use these Dove deodorants. I've said this before. I think when I did my beauty empties, I buy these from Amazon, 6 packs, the bigger ones. This one's a cucumber one. I'm not sure I'm super excited about it. For some reason, I don't like wearing like things that are food, like the smell. I don't know. Like at Bath & Body, I just prefer the more floral things. I don't really like the, you know, that's like cucumber melon. Like, that's just me. Okay, so just a little secret, but maybe I'll be able to handle, whoops. Oh, it's kind of broken here, but maybe I'll be able to handle this cucumber. I'm sure it's fine. I'll use it. It's a good size to take to travel, which I'm doing soon. So anyway, so there's the 5th item. So I got the vitamin C, which I like. I got the deodorant. These 2 are good items for me. May even take them when I travel. And even this, the eye patches, I like that. And then I got this stupid sample, even though Neutrogena is not bad. It's just a little sample, like, anyway. And then the eyeshadow palette. So those are my items for the Walmart Beauty box. Not a bad thing. So anyway, that's it. Let me know if you get it and what you got in yours. It shows in here what other items are available. And to be honest with you, looking at these, I mean, the only one I might trade out would be Well, I would definitely trade out the little Neutrogena sample. But other than that, I got some of the decent ones on here. So let me know what you got and what you think if you don't get this box. But this is spring, and this is version, or let's see, it's V11. So version 11. So anyway, there's that. So, all right, this was it. Short video. Thanks for being here. I love your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.